Sorry guys, I'm back. Okay, so as I was saying, okay, I'm going to use in.get a, means I'm going to get every alphabet one by one from whatever there is in my file and key into this character here one by one. Okay, I'm gonna like rewrite the character one by one into the program and show it in the output, which is the black screen that you'll be seeing later. So I'm going to see out a, right, without any end line, without any spaces, because it follows eventually whatever there is in the file. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to use in dot close, just like what we did for the out just now. Okay, so reading is much simpler, as you can see here, right? Okay, so let's run this program and see if we have any errors. Okay, Control F5. Yes, can you see? So what happened here is, okay, I use the class ifstream to create an object called in, and I'm going to read from my file.txt. So what happens is, right, you can see from this file, okay, while not in.eof, the input, okay, the in, not end of file, for as long as it is not end of file, keep getting the character one by one. So H, A, next line, H, E, next line, and that is how you print all this. So it get H, print H, next loop, get A, print A, next loop, get H again, then print H, and then next loop, get A, then print A, then next loop, get next line, then print next line, and so on until you print everything out. Okay, and this is basically how you read from the file. Okay, so remember, it's OF stream, it is IF stream. Okay, and sometimes you can actually put both of them together in the single file. Okay, if you want to do it in a single file, no problem, you can always put it in the same file. Okay, like this, for example. So I'm gonna like do this, and let's go back to the original program. Okay, you can actually put like this, you can actually put both of the programs together just like that. Okay, so this part is all about writing to the external file, and this part is all about reading from the external file. Okay, it is as simple as that, and you'll be getting your file printed in the same folder as your debug folder, which is your workspace. Right, so now you have a permanent text file, okay, that you can save your data, some sort of like a database, a simple database, text-based database that you want. All right, okay, now let me show you, for those of you who do not have Visual Studio, how you can basically do this, right, on OnlineJDB. Let me close some of my YouTube and Netflix, right? So OnlineJDB. Okay, and let's take the program just now, which is this one. I'm going to take until here and show you how we can actually do it via online compiler. Okay, so close and obviously return 0. Okay, and I'm going to close this program. Right, so same program, okay, but this time I'm going to do it in OnlineJDB, and you can see what happened here is when I run the program, okay, it runs exactly like what I have been using with Visual Studio. Okay, and I enter word programming 2, okay, and I enter, and as you can see right here, okay, it creates a simulated text file. Okay, myfile.txt, a simulated text file. It doesn't appear anywhere in your secondary storage, okay, in your hard disk or in your computer, okay, but it shows you a simulated text file in OnlineJDB itself, right? And of course we can create a file and you know and read from this file as well. So for example, I'm going to read from the file now. I'm going to use ifstream. Okay, copy this, and I'm going to go to OnlineJDB. I'm going to paste and replace everything. Now I'm going to read from my file.txt, which is the simulated text file that is simulated by online GDB, right? So if I run this program now, you can see I can actually achieve the same output, right? Okay, so you can actually practice using online GDB. You don't necessarily need an offline compiler, but just to show you the real application on what we can do with file-oriented input-output, right? And the modes, okay, how you do it, how you store it, okay. And definitely I'll be asking this question in one of your assessment, especially final exam. So if you can do all this that I've shown you in these YouTube videos, I think you are well to do, you will be good, okay. But at the same time, you can also practice with all the examples that are given to you through the lab, okay, which is not part of the assessment that I'll be giving marks to, but you can use it as your reference point in your practice, and also whatever there is here. But understanding this YouTube video, I think is good enough, okay. It's good enough for you to answer any of the assessment question. All right, guys, till then, that is all. I think this will be the last YouTube video before your final exam, and I'll definitely chat with you guys further. All right, guys, thank you, and have a great day. Bye bye.